How to eliminate tartar and whiten my teeth in 4 steps with this homemade recipe. Our oral well-being is of high significance to our general prosperity, and keeping up an appropriate cleanliness in the mouth will keep the attack of microbes and poisons, and guarantee the supply of the essential minerals and vitamins from food. In this manner, it is essential to protect the health of the teeth, take out tartar, and avoid gum disease and infections. Luckily, there is an inconceivably successful natural remedy to take care of every dental issue and keep oral well-being in an ideal condition. A friend of mine who is a well-known dental specialist uncovered me this astonishing strategy, which cost just a little, and however re-established my white, sparkly, and healthy smile. Step-by-step procedure. Needed ingredients: 1/2 cup hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, warm water, antiseptic mouthwash, toothbrush, dental floss. Guidelines: in a glass, blend a spoonful of baking soda and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. At that point, soak the toothbrush in some water and inundate it well to this blend. Next, tenderly rub the teeth with the brush for 5 minutes. Mix 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 1/2 glass of warm water, and wash the mouth with this mixture for 60 seconds. At that point, spit it and wash with some cool water. Use a dental floss, but pay attention not to chafe the gums, but rather rub the tartar in the middle of the teeth. Move it tenderly from side to side to evade harm and aggravations. At last, wash the mouth with disinfectant mouthwash. This technique will eliminate tartar, brighten your teeth, hinder gingivitis, and our oral well-being.